All right, guys, these problems can be found on page 4 of your summer review notes packet. Okay, so this first question does not have an index. Remember from the first video, we said if it doesn't have an index, then the index is understood to be 2. And this index is letting us know we take out groups of 2. All right, so I can take out 7 groups of 2 from 15. I don't know why I rewrote the problem. All right, and then we're left over with 1x. And that's our answer. All right, so now I'm going to do number 2. I'm going to break down the constant first. So this part first. And I'm going to break it down to its prime factors. Now I'm going to rewrite what was originally on the outside of our problem. And then I'm going to add to the outside all of our identical matching pairs. So we've got 2's, we've got another set of 2's, and there's a 3 that does not have a matching 3 to go with it. So I'm going to write 3 on the inside. And now I'm going to work with the y cubed and the z to the 4th power. All right, if we're doing the square root of y cubed, we can take 1 pair out of that, and there's 1 left over. And for the z's, we can take out 2 pairs, and there's no leftovers. I'm actually going to write it in the front because I ran out of space. Now we're going to simplify this stuff. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. I'm going to multiply the y's now. When you multiply like bases, you add the exponents. Now we'll do the z's. Same thing, we're multiplying like bases, so we add the exponents. And 3y is left over on the inside of the radical. And that's number 2. Now I'm going to do this last problem, and then I'll leave you guys to do the last 3 problems at the bottom of page 4. All right, so I'm going to break down the number 20. I'm going to write down what was originally outside of the radical. I see a group of 2 here. That 5 does not have anything matching with it, so we just write it on the inside of the radical. And now we'll deal with this x to the 22nd power. The square root of x to the 22nd power is x to the 11th power. And now we simplify. 5 times 2 is 10. When we multiply like bases, we add the exponents. And there's our final answer. Now I'm going to let you guys do questions 4 through 6 at the bottom of page 4 in your summer review notes packet. Pause the video, and when you're ready, click play to check your answer. All right, I actually want to slow down on this part. I'm going to continue this problem by writing out what was originally outside of the radical. 2 is going to go along with that r squared. And right here, this is a little different than what you've seen before. So if you don't remember how to do this, make sure you're listening and following along. So 5 and 2 are not a matching pair. So under the radical, I'm going to write 10, which is just 5 times 2. The rest of the problem is the same as what we've done before.